In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Squarespace support. If you ever get stuck while building your site, Squarespace offers two main ways to reach a real person: live chat during operating hours and email support anytime. I'll walk you through exactly how to open the chat window and, if chat isn't available, how to send a detailed email so you get help fast. Start by signing in to your Squarespace account and opening the site you need help with. From your dashboard or the site editor, look toward the lower right corner for the help icon, usually a question mark, or the help option in the side panel. Click it to open the support panel. This panel includes guides, troubleshooting articles, and a path to contact the team directly. Inside that panel, choose Contact Us. You may see suggested articles first. That's normal. If those don't solve it, proceed with Contact Us again to launch the messaging window. This opens a chat box that connects you with a support agent in real time when live chat is available. In the chat box, briefly describe the issue in one or two sentences, then add key details: what you were trying to do, what you expected to happen, and what actually happened. Include your site URL, the page or section you're working on, and any error messages you've seen. Screenshots or short screen recordings can save time, so attach them if you can. Staying logged in to the correct site while you chat helps the agent investigate more quickly. Live chat availability depends on operating hours, which vary by day and region. If you land on the page when chat is closed, you'll see that status in the contact panel. No problem, choose the email option instead. Email works well for issues that aren't urgent or that require longer explanations. When sending an email from the same Contact Us area, fill out the form with a clear subject, a concise description, and the same helpful context: site URL, affected page, steps you've tried, and attachments. You'll receive a confirmation message and replies will arrive in your inbox. Keep an eye on spam or promotions folders just in case. A few quick tips to wrap up. If the chat window doesn't open, temporarily allow pop-ups or try another browser. And never share passwords or sensitive billing details in chat. With that, you're ready to contact Squarespace support by live chat or email whenever you need it.